akiwa ni kati ya wasanii tajika na maarufu sana katika eneo la Mlima Kenya kulingana na nyimbo ambazo ameziimba kwa muda mrefu, mostly ikija kwa nyimbo za MUGITHI. Leo taarifa ambazo tunazipokea kuhusiana na msanii huyu Kamande wa Kioí ni taarifa za kuhuzunisha na za kuatua moyo ambazo tumepata kuzipata, na tukaona ni vema tupate kukufahamisha ewe mtazamaji na mpenzi wa taarifa zetu. Na pia ikiwa wewe ni shabiki wa Kamande wa Kioí, the renowned Kikuyu benga musician Kamande wa Kioí recently took to his Facebook page to inform his fans and followers about his deteriorating health condition. The talented artist, famous for his captivating music compositions that have entertained countless Kenyans, is requesting prayers from his supporters. He posted a photo with fellow musicians who had visited him at his home. According to the photos he shared, he appeared a bit weak compared to how he usually come out strong. Kamande wa Kioí's sudden revelation on social media created significant concern among his fans, who were taken aback by the news. The musician's post followed a recent visit from two influential figures in the Kenyan music industry, Mugithi and Dennis Njuguna, popularly known as Shokoraya Nairobi, who made a trip to the hospital to see their healing trend. Dennis had earlier taken to social media to explain the situation, earnestly appealing to Kenyans to extend their prayers and well wishes to Kamande wa Kioí. The outpouring of love and support that followed the revelation highlighted the significance that Kamande wa Kioí has had on his fans throughout the years. Kamande wa Kioí's music has been a source of solace, entertainment, and cultural preservation for the Kikuyu community. Since he first burst out onto the music scene, the talented benga musician has produced hit after hit, captivating the hearts and minds of music lovers everywhere. His ability to blend traditional and modern influence, coupled with his unique lyrical approach, has earned him a special place in the hearts of his fans and mostly the lovers of MUGITHI music. And I always say, if there is one artist that is mostly, and let me say mostly, underrated in the current generation for his music, is Kamande wa Kioí. Because Kamande's music has remained to be an inspiration to the whole of the Mount Kenya region, because most MUGITHI artists nowadays do cover music. Most MUGITHI artists nowadays do perform songs of older generation, and the songs that they have been singing for a very long time includes those of Kamande wa Kioí. Among the hits that have been produced by Kamande wa Kioí, I shall just name a few songs. If you are not familiar with the music of Kamande wa Kioí, I bet maybe you are not a lover of MUGITHI music. Now, Kamande wa Kioí's songs and most famous songs includes that of Ndegwashia wa Kioí, which is one of his greatest tune. Another one is Parapara, which is also a big and man tune. Another one is Kenya Nedio by Kamande wa Kioí. Viohike, another host of Kamande's great tune. Kemundu Kyawana, another one of Kamande's greatest music. Yeah, that's what's up. All we can say is right now we have to keep our legend in prayers, for he is undergoing a tough time right now when it comes to his health, because his health, he says it's deteriorating. For now, that's what's up. This is FM Show KE. Make sure una subscribe, una like, na una comment. See you in the next video.